Hey everyone, it's Blake Bundy here from Winning Solutions Inc. And today I will be bringing you guys another Microsoft Access Expert Template walkthrough. I will be showing you guys where to find the template database on our website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate it into an already existing database that you have already been using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off of one of our templates and don't know how or do not have the time to do so, let us know and we would be happy helping you with getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there's 3 different versions that you can purchase. A compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. Our compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access using the free Access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you would not be able to make any modifications to the forms, the reports, the modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who do not see any need to make any customizations to the template. Our internal use version allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within your organization. And last but not least, our unlimited developer use version allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop and distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink-wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink-wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, which means that you cannot update or customize the database as you wish. In our video today, we will be working on a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view and try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase it or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. Our sales are final because when we give you the source code when you purchase the template, and once we give you the source code, there is really no way that you can return the code. If you'd like to test out our demos for multiple days, you are free to do so. All you have to do is leave the database open so that the data you enter will not be wiped. That is because our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data that you have entered will be wiped from that database. You have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you have entered. Upon downloading a demo for one of our templates, you will have to unzip the downloadable file. Zip files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web. Unzipping a file is a very simple step. All you have to do is extract the file so that you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how or do not understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video will be in the description of this video. So now, let us get into downloading and testing out one of our templates. We're going to start off here by going to our website at microsoftaccessexpert.com. As you can see, I have been here before. On the top of our website, there's going to be a toolbar with all the various ways that you are able to contact Winning Solutions Inc. You're going to want to click on the sidebar button on the left side of our homepage that is labeled Database Templates for Sale. A sublist then opens up and you need to select the Database Templates List button to view the list of all of our templates that we offer. The list is broken up into categories. The different categories that we currently have are our most popular ones, appointment and scheduling databases, calendars databases, reservations and booking databases, contact and communications databases, task management databases, equipment and maintenance tracking databases, sales databases, employee databases, education databases, small business databases, and last but not least, database tools and miscellaneous templates. And today we're going to be taking a look at the Microsoft Access Pool Service and Repair Appointment Tracking Database template. So you're going to want to go ahead and you're going to want to scroll up a ways here, and you're going to want to go to our appointment and scheduling section, and you're going to want to click on the Access Pool Service and Repair Appointment Tracking Database. Let's go ahead and click that. And you're going to want to download the demonstration that correctly corresponds to the version of Access that you are currently running on. Unfortunately, for this one, there is only one demonstration, so hopefully you do have the right version of Access. So once it downloads, go ahead and open that. And you're going to want to go ahead and extract all that file. So go ahead and extract. And once you've done that, you want to go ahead and open it. So along with all of our database templates, since they do come from the web, your computer views it as a potential security risk or a warning. Now, I can assure you that this database template is safe, so I'm going to go ahead and continue on and open the template. And as always, you get a pop-up box that shows up, and this shows all the different ways that you can contact us. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like. However, I'm just going to go ahead and close out of this for now. And so obviously this template would be good for if you owned a pool service and repair company and you needed to keep track of all your customers as well as all your appointments. However, if you like this database template but you don't own a pool service and repair company, contact Winning Solutions Inc. because we can customize this database template to be compatible for any type of company that you run or own. So we're going to start off here by we're going to add a new customer, and we're just going to make one up. We're going to go Mrs. Julie Ann. Okay, and we're going to put in the email. We're going to put in a test email here. And as you can see, you can fill out a lot of information. I will not be filling out all the information, just a few of these. Why not? Put in a phone number. But as you can see, you can fill out an address line, notes about the customer, even you can put a picture of the customer, as well as call history, appointment history, payment history, a lot of different things. This is a pretty detailed section of the database. But I'm just going to fill out this information for now because that's about all we need for this demonstration. So I'm going to go ahead and save and close this. And so now what you can do is you can search for that customer. So as you can see, you can search by a lot of criteria. However, I'm just going to type her in her last name to make it easy and run the search. And there's that customer I've created. And now what I can do is if I want to edit it or just to view the record, you can double click it and it will show you all the stuff that you had already put in, and you can even put in new stuff. However, we're not going to edit this or put in anything new, so we're just going to close out of this for now. And now I'm going to show you guys how to actually put in an appointment. So if you view the scheduled calendar, it brings up the daily view of a calendar. However, you can view it by weekly, bi-weekly, so every 2 weeks, and the monthly view. This is what the monthly view looks like. But to make an event, we're going to go daily view, and we're going to double click 8 a.m. And we're going to make an appointment from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Just double click that, and the customer is the customer I just created. The employee on the job, we're going to put person 1, type. We'll put filtration, why not? And as you can see, since the filtration costs $50, the invoice amount also increased because that's the cost. And we're going to keep it simple. We're going to put location 1. Obviously, you'd be able to input all your own employees and location, all that good stuff if you purchased a database template. We just put in test information for the sake of the demonstrations. And we're going to make this 8 a.m. to 9. And as you can see, you can also, if you're going to have multiple workers work on it, we can put another worker. You can put as many workers you want working on one project. And you can even fill out how the person's going to pay for the project. So it's actually a little more detailed than it appears. And we're actually going to select a custom color just so we can view on the calendar in this color. So we're going to make it green. So that's going to all show up green. Now when we save and close this, there you go. Filtration at location 1. It's good that there's color because it showed up green. So if you were going to have multiple appointments back to back to back or something, it's going to look really confusing if they're all the same color. So now that we've added in that you can change the color, it really helps with the organization of the calendar. And this is just what it looks like on the monthly view. So right there, today, filtration. So pretty cool. Go ahead and close out of this. And you also can view the schedule by the day. So if you want to search specifically for like a location type or the start date or end date, we're going to do a start date. And so let's say you had a ton of appointments on today, the 30th, and you run that search, it's going to show you all your appointments on that day. So this would really help with if you need to stay organized and just know what you had to get done for a certain day or at a certain location. So now we run that search, and there's that appointment ID created. Now it shows, so like I said, it shows you per day what all the appointments that you have. Let's go to close out of this. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel or like us for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. Also, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs, whether it be programming that you need, you want to buy a template, you want to customize a template, anything. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to post our contact information in the description below of this video. As always, you can find us on about any social media website. Feel free to follow us or like us on any of those websites. We post quite frequently. Once again, thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough, and have a great day.